Before I joined the welding program, I thought you had to go into the trade schools and like you had to be all in on just welding to be a welder, like to join the pathway. But like my freshman year, I learned that it's for everybody. You can like want to be a businessman or a banker when you grow up and still be in welding. So that's what was really stuck out to me. I get to learn how to weld even if I don't want to be like an occupational welder when I grow up. It's just like a super unique, like 1% of people know how to weld. So to have that while I have my own job is really cool. My favorite project that I got to work on was my belt buckle, because everyone's belt buckle is like a unique testament to who they are. I had like a cross on mine because I'm Christian and my initials, and you can add any kind of design you want to the blank just to represent yourself. It's just a super unique thing that you can create in welding that you'll carry with you the rest of your life. Having an instructor that believes in you matters, because like having a role model in your life really shows you like who you can become, and like the values that you can learn in welding really carry with you throughout life. I learned way more in here like about becoming a person, like a better person and welder, than I will in any other like math or science class. Mr. Vick taught me more than welding by like teaching me how to be a good man and like treat people right. He always talks about like how time is the most valuable thing God gives us, and how if you volunteer your time, like that's like the best thing you can give anyone. I'm Owen, I'm a senior at Champion High School, and I'm a proud member of Vick's welding program.